We need to make Zigzoo's wagon go fast enough to jump across the gorge. So I need your help. It's time to do the Mega Power Boost spell. Are you ready? 3, 4, go! Right, copy me into your spell pose. One arm across, the other arm across. Open your fingers. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Reach across, touch the floor. Now make a big star. Reach across, touch the floor. Now make a big star. Roll your arms and jump into the air. Brilliant. Same moves again. Cross, cross. Fingers 1, 2, 1, 2. Reach across, touch the floor. Big star. Reach across, touch the floor. Big star. Roll your arms and jump. Now clap and say Mega Power Boost to send the magic to me. Mega Power Boost! It's working! Thanks for your help.